basically an eye look. It's gonna be this bronzy, summerish look with a bold lip. So if you like this video, keep on watching. So for my eyes, I'm gonna start with this Revolution eyeshadow palette. It has a lot of bronzy metallic shades, and I'll be picking up this pearl pinkish color. Be applying it all over my eyelids. Eyeshadow brush to apply this eyeshadow. I hope the color is showing on the it's a pretty pearl color, and it looks really nice and glam once you've applied it. So just pat it onto your eyelids. If you're using another palette which doesn't really have very good pigmentation, you can wet your eyeshadow brush with maybe a makeup spray or something, and then just press down the color onto your eyelid. That will help the color to pop out more. So yes, that's one coat done. We can intensify the color once needed again. And I'll be next using this golden orangey, bronzy orangey color on the centers of my eyelid. It's really difficult for me to explain the shades out, but I'll try my best. So it's kind of a orange golden. Yeah, let's settle with orange golden. So yeah, I'm putting this orange golden color on the centers of my eyelid. So you can see how pigmented this color. This palette is amazing, guys. You should give this a try. It has like amazing shades, and for the price that it comes, it's really affordable. Next, I'll be using this dark copper brown shade, and I'll place it on the outer corners of my eyelids. Also, don't worry if the colors look all distinct and stark at this point, because we'll be blending it out with a fluffy brush. Just place it and pat it, and just pressing the brush. This is intensifying the color a little more. You can just keep applying the eyeshadow until you get the desired result. And I'm using this fluffy brush next to just blend out the whole thing so that it looks like one transition and it doesn't look like there are three different colors on my eyelids. Also, if you see there's any fallouts or something, just you can rub it out with your hands, or you can use a big fan brush to wash it out. So you can see once we blend out the colors, it looks like one smooth shade. I'll be applying some more of the same shades again to make the look a little more bold. Just placing that orangish golden color again. Also, I've done my face makeup already. This was just kind of an eye look. I'll be doing another video soon which will show you how I do my base and how you can do your base for beginners maybe. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos do you want to watch next. Next, I'm using this pencil brush to just highlight the inner corners of my eye. From the same palette, I'm going to be picking up this, the first whitish silver highlighting shade, and just place it on the inner corner. This just makes your eye look more opened up and bright. Next, I feel like my under eyes are a little dark, so I'm just going to apply some concealer. I'm using the Fit Me concealer by Maybelline. All the products will be in the description box below with the links of where you can buy them from. Anyways, all of the products are easily available on Nykaa these days, so I'll just link them down in the description box. That wasn't a creepy high, that was just trying to say that you can use your fingers to blend out your concealer. It's better. I like using my fingers for my concealer because it kind of melts down the product easily. Also, kindly ignore the ugly nails right now. Oh my god, so ugly. Next, use any of your favorite kajal. I'll be using the Lakme Iconic Kajal for my lower lash line. This kajal or any eyeliner basically will just bring out the look and will make it more glam, maybe. It'll make it stand out basically. It'll make your eyes look more open. not be going very dark on the eyeliner. I'm just gonna apply a soft shade. Also, if you want, you can put an eyeliner on the upper corners, on the upper eyelids, but I'll just be going in with my mascara. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara. It's my favorite, guys. This mascara just opens up your eyes like a dream. It makes it look like you're wearing falsies. I just do not know how to apply falsies, so I'm always on a hunt for mascaras that make my eyelashes look like I have cow eyelashes. These ones do. They do, don't they? Like, it just opens up your eyes. It's so amazing, guys. You'll have to totally try this out. Oh, it's on my cheek. Just let it dry and scrape it out later on. So, quick hack, guys. If you apply mascara on your face, just let it dry, and then once it's dry, you can just easily scrape it off. Applying some on my lower lash line too. See, it makes my eyes look fluttery. And finally, gonna apply my lipstick. This is the pink shade from Kate Moss by Rimmel. So that's the finished look, guys. It is a super simple yet glam look. It's easily wearable.